Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RS Computer Solutions. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe because I upload more useful videos like this regularly. Today, I'll show you step by step how to download, install, and use AOMEI Download Manager. Open any browser and type AOMEI Download Manager in the search bar. Click on the first website that appears. Once the site opens, you'll see the main interface. From here, click on Get App to download. You'll also need to install the browser extension first, works with Chrome or Firefox. After downloading, open the setup file. Simply click Next, I agree and choose whether you want a desktop shortcut or start menu option. Installation only takes a few seconds. Once complete, check Run AOMEI Download Manager and click Finish. When you click Download, you'll see the option Download with ADM. Click it, and the file starts downloading immediately. You can also adjust speed, pause, or queue multiple downloads easily. That's it for today's video. With AOMEI Download Manager, you can download any file big or small quickly, safely, and without any limits. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.